How to write on whiteboard on Zoom. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can write on whiteboard on Zoom meeting app. Okay, so guys, if you are in a meeting, so if you want to explain someone through using the whiteboard, then from where you can use it in this video, you will get to know about it. So if you are willing to know, then just stay tuned with the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So at the first step guys, let's open the Zoom meeting, and guys, start your meeting, and I have already started. So now let's go to meeting. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this will be the interface. So if you want to write on a whiteboard, then guys, you have to click here on the share option. Okay, click on the share option, and then guys, here you will get the share whiteboard at the bottom, as you can see. So tap on the share whiteboard, and then guys, you can use whiteboard from here. Okay, so this is a pencil, and this will be the color. So just you can use it. Okay, as you can see guys, so if you want to write anything, you can write it because it is well balanced. Okay, as you can see, I'm using it so well. So whatever you want to write here, you can write it like this. So guys, this is how you can use the whiteboard in your Zoom meeting app. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is really interesting out here. So if you want to draw anything, you can draw it. Okay, if you want to draw anything, you can draw it here. If you want to write anything, you can write it here, like mathematics. Okay, just for mathematics, if you want to solve mathematics for here, then guys, you can solve it. Okay, as you can see, this is so easy. But guys, it will be better if you get a stick, okay, to write it. It will be better for you. But if you want, then you can use your finger as well. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use the whiteboard in Zoom meeting app. So let's end up the meeting, and meeting for all. That's okay. So guys, now it is done. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. And guys, if it is helpful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.